Hello friends, welcome back once again. Thank you so much for your response. And this is CRAFTOLOGER treasure box number 43, and the MRP of this box is 1805, means 8000, not 8000, 1805 rupees, 1805. So what all things I am giving in this? I am giving this 1 by 12 by 12 inch ka stencil. This is a border one stencil. I'm giving this stencil also 12 by 12. I'm giving this mold. I'm giving this MDF stuff for the mixed media backgrounds. I am giving this mini stones. This is light purple, pink. This is white, cream जैसा color है. This is a peach skin tone, multi shade, like it's like a metallic one. And you can use in mixed media for mixed media in the sculptures or wherever you want to use. And this is our happy place. This is one stencil, and you are getting these kinds of birds for the mixed media. You are getting this pin as well. You are getting this one also, and you are getting this stencil also. So the MRP of this box is 1805, but I am giving in 1000 rupees free shipping.